Shubor Nagashlam Jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Ramba Kajala Conrad Sangma, Udaong Jingslem Pyllait ya Pisa nakabentaki kontraktor berpentre ya Skhim Jal Jivan Mission. Kedai belpen sange ada Sorkar Pdeng nakabenta baro Kajala kibayo jimentai hagari. Udaong Jingpen sange kedai namar bakukin hun menteri ke Sorkar Pdeng kala hukum ban pej benya ashwa ya baro ki Skhim kibala pentre hagari baro kawai ya jingbet jingbyang nakabenta Kajala hapukari baro kawai. Hadian balada pej benya alut ya kani ketenat pelatingka ke Sorkar Pdeng kan sepelat biang ya ke Pisa. Uliat hu baka JJM Skhim kedai bankut haswa ubnai leber arja arpusau. Hendai hadian balakut undi ubnai ketenat pelatingka ke Sorkar Pdeng kamla syuk ban Pdeng ya kani ke Skhim. Hendai ya kani haprai do ke genhun menteri jong ke Sorkar India bakan penkelab biang ya ketiga rai ban penjalan biang ya ke por. Kumta uloong baka genhun menteri kala rai biang ban penjalan biang ban pentre ya kani ke Skhim. Bat hadian bala penjalan kala hukum ban phak pejnya ya ki jela hagari barok kawai ya karukam pentre kam ya ki Skhim. Uloong basisian bala dable ya kani ke jimpet benya ketenat pelatingka ke Sorkar Pdeng kan sepelat biang ya ke Pisa syabaro ki jela.
Has been stopped at the central level for all state governments. So there is no fund being released to any state as of now. So not just Meghalaya but the whole country. So maybe 1 lakh crore plus of bills are pending for different states. Now this is happening because of one simple fact that the JJM was a mission mode program which was supposed to end in March 2024, and hence in the cabinet this decision was made, Government of India cabinet decision was made, and therefore automatically since it was when April came, JJM ceased to exist. Finance department did not have any provision to continue giving funds for JJM because it was supposed to close in March 2024. And hence, without a cabinet decision to revert or to change that decision of closing JJM by March 2024 had to be taken by cabinet, not by finance ministry, not by Jal Shakti ministry, but by the cabinet, which then took place in the month of November or December, where government said we will extend it further till the projects that are going on right now are concluded. So that gave the scope for finance department then to go ahead with the processing of the programs that were post or bills that came post March 2024. Now the problem in that happened again was that the cabinet also put a condition that there will be an audit that will be conducted for all the schemes that are being implemented throughout the country. And only once the audit is completed for all the schemes, only then the finance ministry, based on that, will then release the funds. So that audit is happening in some places, it's complete. And so once that is done, then finance ministry will start releasing the funds. So therefore it's not in the state of Meghalaya alone, it is the whole country. But we do expect that things will be streamlined. The decisions have been made. The question is just the final implementation is going on of the audit that was mandated by the cabinet, Government of India, of the ongoing schemes.